Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing sales notifications that came in while you were sleeping. This isn't some far-fetched dream. It's the reality of passive income, powered by digital products. It's about creating something once and letting it generate revenue for you around the clock, completely on autopilot. You're essentially building an automated business that works for you, not the other way around. Today, I'm breaking down 5 digital products that sell themselves. These aren't just theories. These are proven models that countless creators are using right now to build financial freedom. So if you're ready to learn what actually works, stick around. We're going to cover online courses, digital templates, stock photography, ebooks and guides, and even software tools. I'll show you exactly how to get started with each, what to watch out for, and how to turn your knowledge into a scalable income stream. Let's dive in with number 1, online courses. This is the classic create once, sell forever model. You package your knowledge, skill, or passion into a structured series of video lessons, tutorials, and downloadable resources. It's for anyone with expertise to share, whether you're a marketer, a musician, a fitness coach, or even a master gardener. If you can teach it, you can build a course around it. Getting started is straightforward. First, validate your idea. Ask your audience or research online communities to see if people are willing to pay to learn your skill. Second, outline your curriculum. Break your topic down into logical modules and lessons. Third, create the content. You don't need a Hollywood studio. A good smartphone camera, a clear microphone, and some simple screen recording software are often enough. Finally, host it on a platform like Teachable, Kajabi, or Gumroad, which handle payments and content delivery for you. For pricing, consider the value you provide. A mini course might be $49, while a comprehensive masterclass could be $499 or more. The math is powerful. Sell just 10 copies of a $197 course each month, and that's nearly $2,000 in recurring passive income. A common pitfall is striving for perfection and never launching. The fix? Start with a small, focused pilot course. Get feedback, improve, and then build your flagship program. Next up at number 2, digital templates. These are pre-made files that customers can customize to save time and effort. Think about it, not everyone is a designer, a financial wizard, or a productivity guru. You can sell your skills in a scalable format. This category is incredibly diverse. You can create Canva templates for social media posts, resume templates in Word or Google Docs, complex budget spreadsheets in Excel or Google Sheets, or even entire business dashboards in Notion. Digital planners for apps like GoodNotes are also hugely popular. If you have an eye for design or a knack for organization, this is your goldmine. To start, identify a tedious task people in a specific niche face. For example, real estate agents need just sold social media posts. You can create a pack of 20 customizable Canva templates for them. Or, freelancers need to track their income and expenses. You can build the ultimate spreadsheet for that. Create your template, package it with clear instructions, and list it on marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market, or sell directly through Gumroad or your own Shopify store. Pricing is typically lower here, from $10 for a simple template to $100 plus for a complex system like a Notion dashboard. But it's a volume game. Selling a $25 template pack to 100 people nets you $2,500. The biggest pitfall is poor presentation. Your product mockups need to look incredible. The fix? Use high-quality mockup tools to showcase your templates in a professional, appealing way. People buy the result, not the file. Number 3, stock photography. If you have a camera and a good eye, you can turn your photos into a recurring revenue stream. Businesses, bloggers, and marketers are constantly in need of high-quality images for their websites, social media, and advertising. Instead of hiring a photographer for a custom shoot, they license stock photos. This is for photographers of all levels, from hobbyists to professionals. You can shoot anything: lifestyle images with models, flat lays of office desks, beautiful landscapes, or niche-specific photos like medical equipment or construction sites. The key is to think like a marketer. What images do businesses need to tell their stories? To get started, you'll need a decent camera. Even modern smartphones can work for this. Focus on quality. Good lighting, sharp focus, and clean composition are non-negotiable. Edit your photos using software like Adobe Lightroom to make them pop. Then, upload them to stock photo agencies like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, or Getty Images. They handle the marketing and sales, and you get a royalty for every download. Earnings are a numbers game. A single photo might only earn you 25 cents to a few dollars per download, but a portfolio of thousands of high-quality images can generate a substantial income over time. Your photos are earning while you sleep, years after you took them. The pitfall? Uploading random, low-demand photos. The fix is to research trends. See what's popular on stock sites and shoot content that fills a market need. Think in collections, not single images. Coming in at number 4, ebooks and guides. This is one of the most accessible digital products to create. If you can write, you can create an ebook. It's essentially a digital book that solves a specific problem, teaches a skill, or provides valuable information. This is perfect for writers, experts, and anyone who prefers the written word over video. You can write a guide on anything. The Beginner's Guide to Sourdough Baking, a 30-day plan to organize your home, or the Ultimate Guide to Facebook Ads for Small Businesses. The goal is to provide a quick, valuable win for your reader. To start, choose a topic you know well that solves a painful problem. Outline the chapters, then just start writing. Use a simple tool like Google Docs or Scrivener. Once written, design a compelling cover using a tool like Canva. This is crucial for sales. You can then sell it directly on your website using Gumroad or Shopify, or publish it on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, to reach a massive audience. Solve problems, collect payments. It's that simple. Ebooks are typically priced between $9 and $49, depending on the depth and value. Selling 50 copies of a $27 guide each month is over $1,300 in your pocket. The common mistake is trying to write a 500-page masterpiece. People want quick solutions, not encyclopedias. The fix? Keep it concise, actionable, and focused on a single outcome. A powerful 40-page guide will outsell a bloated 200-page book every time. Finally, number 5. Software tools and apps. This might sound intimidating, but it's more accessible than ever. We're talking about creating a piece of software, a web application, a browser extension, or a mobile app that automates a task or provides a unique function. You don't have to be a coder anymore. With the rise of no-code platforms like Bubble, Adalo, and Softer, you can build powerful applications using visual, drag-and-drop interfaces. This is for the problem solvers, the innovators who see a gap in the market and want to build a solution. Think of a simple Chrome extension that helps you find coupons, or a web app that generates social media captions using AI. The process starts with identifying a hyper-specific problem. Then, you can sketch out the user flow and design the interface. Next, use a no-code tool to build a minimum viable product, or MVP, the simplest version of your app that still solves the core problem. You can then launch it and charge a one-time fee, or, more commonly, a recurring monthly subscription. Build it once, scale infinitely. The earning potential here is the highest, often based on a software-as-a-service (SaaS) model. If you have 200 users paying you $15 a month, that's $3,000 in monthly recurring revenue. The biggest pitfall is building something nobody wants. The fix is to build in public. Share your idea early, get feedback, and build a waitlist of potential customers before you even finish the product. Now, having a great product is only half the battle. The other half is setting up a system to sell it on autopilot. This is where your passive income machine truly comes to life. It consists of a few key components: a landing page to showcase your product, a checkout process to take payments, an automated delivery system, and an email sequence to nurture customers. You can build this entire system using all-in-one platforms like Gumroad or Kajabi. Or, you can piece it together yourself for more flexibility, using a tool like Card for your landing page, Stripe for payments, and ConvertKit for email automation. The goal is to create a seamless customer journey that requires zero manual intervention from you. A customer clicks, buys, and instantly receives their product, whether you're at your desk or on a beach. So, what's the key to making this all work? It's not about trying to do all 5 of these at once. The key is to pick one. Choose the one that best aligns with your skills and interests. Then, focus on perfecting it. Create the absolute best course, template, or guide you can. And once it's perfected, automate the sales process. That is the formula for building a real, sustainable passive income stream. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies on building your digital empire. And to help you get started, I've put together a free checklist you can download in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.